3 questions to answer to buy the right swim spa. The modern swim spa is one of the most versatile machines you can buy today. With year-round swimming, indoor access, hydrotherapy, and low-impact aquatic exercise, what's not to love? Here are 3 questions to answer to ensure you choose the right swim spa to fit your needs and lifestyle. Will it go indoors or outside? The best quality about swim spas is that you can use them year-round. It's a great addition to a deck or small patio, but it also works fine in an enclosed sunroom or converted garage. Think about when you will use your swim spa to help you decide if an indoor or outdoor placement is best. Do you want to accessorize? Will you be swimming laps, exercising, or both? Choose the right accessories after deciding how you plan to spend time in your swim spa. It's easy to create a fully functioning aquatic gym with underwater treadmills, row bars, and resistance bands. Do you want a dual-sided swim spa for hydrotherapy? The best swim spas can be equipped with 2 separate sides, one for lap swimming and another for temperature-controlled hydrotherapy. This is a game changer for spa enthusiasts, as it's like getting 2 machines in one. A dual-sided swim spa offers an added advantage. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a swim spa, pick up a copy of our free consumer's guide to buying a swim spa. Visit our website at www.backyardretreat.ca.